Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on Gastromania. Today, we're going to present an iconic Thai recipe, Thai green curry. This recipe is similar to a curry but with the fragrance of many other spices not found in Indian curries. It goes extremely well with rice and can go with various meats. Let's get right into the recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. First, we have 4 coriander roots. We do not need the leaves or the stems as the root area is where the fragrance of the coriander is the strongest. Next, we have about 10 Thai green chillies, 2 stalks of lemongrass, 3 kaffir limes, 2 stalks of Thai sweet basil, 30 grams of galangal. This is an essential ingredient but it will be difficult to find it outside Southeast Asia. 5 cloves of garlic, 5 cloves of shallots, Thai shrimp paste. Personally, I think this can be omitted or changed to other types of shrimp paste. 10 grams of coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Dry toast them at low heat until they produce a fragrance. Grind the toasted seeds into powder. Set the grinded seeds aside for later use. Slice the galangal thinly. Cut the remaining fresh ingredients. Cut them as small as possible so that it will be easier to pound them later on. For the kaffir lime, we only need its outer skin.
Nobody cares though. Honestly, nobody cares.
Cut them finely as well. Put the galangal into a mortar. Pound it as finely as possible. Add the shallots and garlic and pound them into a paste. Set this paste aside for later use. Add the green ingredients into the mortar. Grind them finely into a paste. Add the first paste and mix the grinded ingredients together. Add the toasted seeds and mix it evenly. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Thai shrimp paste and mix evenly. Optionally, we can also add some kaffir lime leaves to enhance the fragrance of the curry. Slice about 5 pieces roughly. Prepare about 8 Thai eggplants. Remove its stalk. Then, slice it and soak it in salt water to reduce oxidation while waiting. Prepare 300 grams of chicken. Slice it into about 5mm slices. And the last essential ingredient, 250 milliliters of coconut milk. And with that, let's get cooking. Add some vegetable oil into a hot wok. Then, add the prepared green curry paste. Fry it at medium heat for about 2 minutes. If it gets too dry, add some coconut milk. Once the fragrance from the paste is released, add about 150 milliliters of water. Once the water boils, add the kaffir lime leaves. Then, add about half of the coconut milk. Two tablespoons of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, brown sugar will be a good substitute. But if you can't find both, just use granulated white sugar. One tablespoon of Thai fish sauce. This is for umami flavor in the curry. Taste the curry and make sure to adjust the flavor to your personal preference. Add the remaining coconut milk if the curry is not thick enough. Add the prepared Thai eggplants and boil for about 3 minutes. Once the eggplant softens slightly, add the sliced chicken and boil for about 4 minutes. Once the chicken is fully cooked, turn off the fire. Add some sweet basil and mix evenly. And this dish is ready to be served. Garnish the Thai green curry with some sliced red chillies and raw sweet basil leaves for color. Wow, it smells so fragrant with the spices. The curry and chicken is completely infused with the herbs and spices that we added earlier. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed the green curry recipe, please support us by hitting the like button. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing for our weekly videos. Do let us know if you have any feedback or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in my next video.